Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import ranges in Excel. This feature is handy when pulling data from one worksheet or workbook into another. Whether organizing reports or working with large data sets, importing ranges can make your work much easier. Let's get started. Open the Google spreadsheet where your source data is located. In this example, we have a table with students' activity data that we want to import into another file. Select the URL of the page you'd like to import. Go to the Excel file for import. Open the Excel file to be pasted and make sure the page is clear, or else it will not be imported. Click the cell and enter equals import range, open parenthesis, paste the URL, close parenthesis, comma, A1 colon C 16 close parenthesis of the file and enter. Now the file is imported to Excel sheet. And that's how you import ranges in Excel. Whether you copy and paste data manually or use the import range function for dynamic linking, importing ranges can simplify how you work across multiple worksheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.